Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Atlas CFO. Today's topic is markup versus margin. A lot of times we will get these two confused and we use them interchangeably, but actually they are two different calculations. So today we're going to walk through a calculation and we're going to hope that I don't screw them up, because even I will use the wrong words and get it all messed up. So let's first talk about markup. So markup is when we take our cost, our estimated cost, and we mark it up a percentage. So we're going to use a $50,000 job and we're going to mark it up 10%. So that means that we would have revenue of 55 and cost of 50, and our markup is 10%. Our markup is 1.10. That's how you mark it up, 10%. Okay, so now let's take the same calculation and let's move it down into margin. So if we're going to do for margin, it is 55 minus 50 equals 5,000. So the 5,000 is our margin, but now we have to get to the margin percentage. So it's 5,000 divided by the 55, and that equals like 9.9 or 9.2 or 9.1%. I should make that right. It has some change. So whenever we have this calculation here, we have a markup of 10%, but our margin is actually 9%. So the question usually is, well, how do I get my margin to be more like 10%? Okay, now we're going to have to erase this and do some other math. So now we're going to do how to get margin to be 10%. So to do that, we actually would take our $50,000 and we've got to divide it by our 0.9. I think this is right. And we get 55,555. Whenever we use this math and we take this 55 minus the 50, this results in a 10% margin. So this 0.9, where did we get that? That is 100 minus our 10%. So whatever we're going to want to do there, that's how we get there. So if you've got a 10% markup and you want it to be the margin, you have to do a little bit different math. Okay, that's all we have for you today. I hope that that helps understand markup and margin. And if you like this and you'd like more, please visit our website and sign up for our newsletter. Thanks.